subscribe to get more video. OnePlus 7T Pro unveiled with Snapdragon 855 Plus, McLaren edition tags along. Peter, the 10th of October, 2019. The OnePlus 7T Pro is official, and it brings the typical upgrades you would expect from a T phone, nothing as major as the vanilla 7T upgrade. With it comes the McLaren edition, whose exterior draws inspiration from the racing legend. The OnePlus 7T Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset. Thanks to higher clock speeds, it promises 15% higher graphics performance. That will surely come handy, as the list of games that support 90Hz screens grows. There's a single memory configuration available, 8GB of RAM and 256GB storage, UFS 3.0. The 6/128GB and 12/256GB versions of the 7 Pro have been axed. If you want 12GB of RAM, the McLaren edition is your only option. OnePlus 7T Pro. The other big change is that the phone now supports Warp Charge 30T. The T version is 23% faster than the 30W charger that debuted with the OnePlus 7 phones. While the peak power is not higher, the new charger keeps its foot on the throttle longer. While 16MP pop-up selfie camera is unchanged, the triple camera on the back did get a new feature, the macro mode, from the 7T. Speaking of the 7T, the Pro model boasts a longer focal length on its zoom camera, 3x, over the main cam, as well as OIS. The 48MP main sensor and 16MP ultra-wide are the same otherwise. The OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren edition comes with 12GB of RAM and 256GB storage. Its back has a symmetrical wood grain appearance and papaya yellow around the sides. You also get a soft Alcantara case, a material popular in the automotive world. Both versions of the phone will launch with OS 10, which is, you guessed it, based on Android 10. The McLaren edition features some exclusive features, like McLaren T-themed wallpapers and icons. Also, notifications illuminate the curved sides of the display in the trademark papaya orange color. OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren edition. The OnePlus 7T Pro will be available in Europe next Thursday at $760. That's the same price as the 8/256GB version of the 7 Pro. The McLaren edition is coming on November 5th, and it will cost $860. For comparison, the 12/256GB version of the 7 Pro is $830. Besides the the 7T Pro is coming to India, China, and Hong Kong. Prices in India are set at INR 53,999 for the regular 7T Pro and INR 58,999 for the McLaren edition. Notably, the phone will not be available in the US. Related. Anonymous. Didn't OnePlus say they were releasing a second 5G phone this year? Well, they have released all their phones, haven't they? Here's the article. https www.google.com/amp/s/app.ft.com/d-b001e3/d5096334e. Reply 5 hours ago 3JNIACORG0. They are doing it because every other Chinese brand is releasing 855 plus refresh versions of their phones. Reply 6 hours ago CND Slocks late when the manufacturers will get it that we don't want our phones to get bigger and heavier every year. We want the phone to fit in our hands, to be able to be operated by one hand, and to get into our pocket. Reply 6 hours ago GDL.
Just 30 minutes to keep you moving. And you've got dual speakers. So when you're gaming, you don't get played. You've even got video stabilization, so you can always keep it steady. We came, we listened, we made the phone you want.
Leave a like,